Hi, what segment do you trade, and how long have you been trading for?
Hi. I trade primarily in the Forex market, but I also dabble in commodities like gold and oil. I've been actively trading for about 8 years now, consistently focusing on Forex due to its liquidity and 24/5 accessibility. My journey started with a keen interest in macroeconomics, which drew me towards currencies, and over the years, I've fine-tuned my strategies, particularly focusing on price action and market structure.
As a person who's been trading for 8 years, which was your worst year?
My worst year was actually my second year of trading. I had some early success in my first year, which led to overconfidence. I started taking bigger positions, chasing trades, and ignoring risk management. That year, I faced a significant drawdown, around 35% of my account, and it was a harsh reality check. I realized that no matter how good a trade setup looks, discipline and risk management are crucial. That tough year forced me to reassess my strategies, implement stricter risk controls, and develop the patience to wait for high probability setups rather than forcing trades.
What is your average win rate, and is there really a Holy Grail strategy?
My average win rate is around 45 to 50%, which may sound low to some, but it's important to remember that win rate isn't everything in trading. What really matters is the risk-to-reward ratio. I typically aim for trades with a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk-to-reward ratio, so even with a 50% win rate, I come out profitable in the long run. As for the Holy Grail strategy, no, there isn't one. Every trader looks for it at some point, but the reality is that no single strategy will work in every market condition. Markets are constantly changing, so adaptability is key. The closest thing to a Holy Grail is solid risk management, emotional discipline, and a strategy that fits your personality and trading style.
You said that you lost 35% in your second year of trading. Is that a lot considering majority of the beginners who blow more than one account in the first year?
You're absolutely right. Many beginners do blow up multiple accounts in their first year, so losing 35% might not sound as catastrophic in comparison. In hindsight, it was a manageable loss, especially since I didn't wipe out my account entirely. However, at the time, it felt huge because I was relatively inexperienced and didn't fully grasp risk management. The emotional impact was the toughest part, but it taught me valuable lessons early on. In fact, I think that 35% loss prevented me from blowing the account entirely. It forced me to step back, reassess my risk management strategy, and really understand position sizing, stop-loss placement, and the importance of not risking too much on any one trade.
Thank you for the wonderful responses. Let's come back another day with more valuable questions and answers. You can also ask your questions on the comment, and we'll include them in the next Q&A.